Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't even, oh, I don't even know where we are. All right, we're in Asbury Park, New Jersey, gang. Meeting up with some other homies. And yeah, a little night ride, gang. So, yo, if you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, everything, gang. I appreciate it. I know you guys don't want to see me hear me talking too much, but there you go. Here we go. Hold, let me go find these guys real quick. What it do, yo? What up, yo? How you doing? What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah. All right.
Yo, get that guy. He's feeling it. Let's go, man. I'm not with you.
Oh, snap. I don't know. The boppers. Ah, I knew you were gonna stop like that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, right. Wow. What's going on? What you what? Oh, you good, yo? Oh. You done up?
What's up?
You done up?
No, I'm good.
Oh, jeez, yo. Oh. Sheesh. I was like, where'd everybody go?
Yeah.
And the other guy is like, he's probably.
I heard it. I heard like a crash and then like that like, bouncing off the ground, and I was like, yo.
Is your foot peg still there?
Nah, dude.
Oh, it's gone. Look at that, it's gone. It's clean off.
He got a little stuff to still ride. He's good.
I'm good.
Oh yeah. Greasy.
Your knees fucked up. I want to wipe them all.
Wow.
Clean in there, bro.
Yeah.
It's a nice shirt.
Look at the first aid kit. That's so tough.
Huh?
The first aid kit is so tough. What's up?
So you need one of those in this thing.
Oh, nah, this is for my other battery.
I got this.
Oh, you got another battery in there?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. I didn't know how long we were riding, that's why I just threw it in there. Yeah. Got 272s.
That's not gonna do anything.
I guess we. Is he sliding? Alright, yo.
yeah. Good money. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that would suck, dude. Those are just two LED headlights together. Ew, that looked like a cop behind us. Did they come so hot?
Two of them next to each other, right?
Yeah, I thought it was a cop the whole time. Absolutely. Oh, he's still cooking. He's still cooking. Unreal. 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 What? Oh. Absolutely. Oh, he's still cooking. He's still cooking. Unreal. 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 What? Well, no.
No way, bro.
Shit.
What happened?
Bro, a flat.
Oh no.
The wheelies were like going sideways. What the fuck?
I guess we all doing it.
Same battery. Same battery.
You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong. We all got flats.
Calling me already. You turn around.
I'm going 6 miles an hour.
Like I wouldn't have answered if I was driving.
Oh man, rough night for the kid, man. Was he going like fast or was it like slow?
Who, the guy who fell?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I don't think
All that.
I think he had like just.
I don't know, man. All right. Yo, the Apple Pay is crazy. Yeah, two bucks is OD. That's probably the whole surcharge for the Apple Pay. Yeah, man. That's premium right there. Premium air, man.
For the night.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. He tanked out. The other guy that tanked out. And then we got this, yeah.
Yo, I'm
I heard you heard it? I heard it. I had already. I turned the corners and I turned around and I saw two guys behind me. I was like, oh, alright, I turned fine. And then I just kept going. Then like I'm sitting there for a minute. I'm like,
Ah, man.
Bro, something must have happened.
Sheesh. Alright, play it. Nah. Get home safe, man.
Yeah.
W's in the chat. Only W. Oh, wow, there's so many cars. It's kind of late. Woo. We could. But you know we want to pop wheelies, so. I'll do it. I don't care.
Wrong, but you use less battery wheeling, right?
It depends on the situation. So slow. Let's go. We in this.
I was gonna try to turn it.
It's hard, man. What? Yeah. Yeah, that's not for me. That's not for me. I'll do no feet down. I ain't doing two. Oh, that's so sketch. The Cybertruck. Oh, you found a bathroom. Look at that.
You know, I was gonna do it. Around a little.
Fuck. There we go. Was that? What was that? Ah! Where are we going? Straight still? Yeah. For sure. Oh, wait. Look at that.
Is that deer?
Yeah, I see that deer out there. Is this a real trail? I have no idea. I'm about to head back. Yeah, I'm probably about to head back from here.
We're 2 minutes from Asbury about.
Yeah, I'm probably about to head back, back to my van, because my van's not that far from here. Alright, yo.
Nice riding with you.
Yeah. Let's get about the middle of the road.
Let me know when you get back to
For sure.
your van.
The group chat when you get back
For
to
sure.
the van.
Gotcha, I'll be back in, I don't know. Who knows? I'll be quick.
See you when you see us.
Oh, alright, yo, you too. Alright, guys. On the way back to the van. Been a super fun ride, you know. But some mishaps happened. Someone went down. tire went completely flat. The valve stem just blew completely out, you know. So still got to ride around with the homies for a bit. Yo, make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because everything counts. I appreciate everything, you feel me? How far are we away? 2 miles. Oh, I just put this phone away. Oh, jeez. It's like the middle of August and it's so hot out here. I mean, so cold out here. I'm sorry. Said that completely wrong. It's like, oh, let me act like an e-bike until all these cars pass. Just casually a G-Wagon passing me, you know? A little Ford joint. Oh, yo, alright. Alright, as I was saying before, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Everything counts, gang. I appreciate everything you guys do. Let's see how long I hold this wheelie for. Oh. We're going 36 miles an hour. Too fast to e-bike, you know? Alright, yo. Peace out, gang.